This iPad makes a great mirror. Oh, hello. I just want to say, make an intro to the intro that this video didn't work so well. I'm sorry about that because hold on. I was using the microscope and on this computer I was using the program that comes with it, if you see here, and I just used the record function. And the problem with that, when I lose frames, the video doesn't pad any frames, so the video is out of sync, and if the files are large, you can see that these two files are very close to 4 gigabytes. And that means there's some data issue going on here. So these files are corrupted, and but I will leave the video anyway. If it trolls you, I'm sorry about that. I will be the internet troll for this time. So it's missing the index and everything. So, but it does work. So I have stretched it and yeah, tried to make it work as good as I can. But what I did wrong, I think, is to use this program. So I should have used either OBS. I haven't tried that. I will experiment with that. But what I've used before is FFmpeg. There it is. FFsplit it's called actually. So that has worked much better for me before. So I will get an even video stream. So thank you for watching and enjoy the video, even though the ending and the result of this board I made. Where is the board now? There you go. Yeah. Okay, bye bye. Must have been this MTech flux I breathed in the other day. Okay, so I'm going to solder up this Stripefix board, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this solder paste that I have bought. I don't have the proper tools for it yet. So, but I think it will be okay if I just dab some onto the pads and stay away from anything else, because the solder should collect itself when it melts. So yeah, I have tested that, so it should work. And I can't find this component, so I will resolve this one. So what I'm going to do before this one, when I apply this, I don't have so much time before it dries up, so I will make these components ready. It's a diode and the regulator, and these are the V2 drivers. So yeah, this is an older version. So I can't find more parts if I want, but okay, I will just solder up a few ones. So let's start with the resolving then, so I can get some parts. Set the 270. While I heat this one up, I will find what is it called? Tweezers. This will take a little bit of time anyway, so oh, by the way, I have gotten some rework grease. I can show you that. So it's starting to melt here, so let's see if I can get more light on it. When I do the soldering with the solder paste. I will use the microscope so you can see what happens. So here you can see it's melting. Just push it away carefully, like this. I do have these resistors also, or pot meters, but I will resolve those also. There. There. Okay, and this one. This is a hopeless prototype that I made, so it's not very useful anyway. So I have to separate this one because this one has a different value. Let's get that big ass capacitor also. Actually, I should put on glasses because these components can crack and explode, so hopefully not today. And there should be a die there, but I have the diode over here, so I think that's fine. So yeah. Okay. My computer is updating, so okay, so I have to wait then. So I'll stop the video for a moment. I've gotten out the microscope, so we'll use that. And the microscope will can record videos, so I will include that. Yep. Okay, so I have my schematic up here. Just gathering some components. Okay, so let's have a look what we got. And with some image magic, we should see. Okay, I'm trying to see what these look like. Honestly, I don't remember exactly where I put them, so because I do have more of these. But now let's just resolve these two. Hold on. Start video. Yeah, these two, they are the same value. And you can see they are a little bit rounded on this side. You can see. And if I go over here, you can see that they are more square. So if I look at the ones I have resolved, all of them are square, so I don't think I have three different ones now. I will remove this one, and then I will try and resolve this part over here. So I can do that on camera actually. So let's see. I have the heat on now. The frame rate is really slow because of the poor lighting. So maybe I should increase the lighting when I start soldering. Hold on, it's not hot yet. No. There you go. Very nice. So let's put it there. And let's see, what do we have? A text message. Now the last thing I want is the phone to ring. There you can see it. So I will stop the video now. So yep, now I have better frame rate. So, but you can see on the video, you don't see much else in the picture than the actual yeah. Because the light is so focused now. But yeah, let's continue. So start the camera, and now we'll apply some of these grease. See how that goes. I'll just force some out like this, and then I will just try and dab a little bit around. You can see that it separates, so that's because there's flux in it. So yeah, and here I'm going to just make a little stripe, not too much. I really need needles for this. So that one was great, the other one wasn't so great. Maybe I should yeah, so this will not be perfect, it's for sure. And we have one down there. Let's see, you can make this happen. Then this, we have these two guys. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. Does not have to be perfect, because when it smelts it will drag itself in the right spot. So, and now I don't remember which ones are optional, so I'll just get back. Let's see. So if I do, sorry for hitting the camera. Oh shit, I'm getting sloppy now, so I can fix that, but yeah, maybe I should do that. So let's get some isopropanol. And there, let's get it away. Let's see. You know what? I'm just gonna yeah. Holes, all the solder paste down the holes. So okay, there's the components. So let's try and solder. Let's start with the large one. These two. Okay, let's see. I have the iron at 270. Oops, it's moving. Maybe the adjustment was a bit high on the if you can see here, it was a bit high over here. You can hear the fan. Okay, I'm turning it down. So let's see if we can try this again. I'm holding it 10 centimeters above. Now you should see the flux is starting to work. And when the solder melts, it will collect itself. So there, you can see it collects itself. It's not collecting on this side yet, so let's speed up the process. There you go. You can see it's in the wetting process has been done already, and now it's in the reflow. Now I think we are actually done with this one. Let's try this one. You can see how it centers itself. It's actually not doing a good job at this, so let's see if we can there. Nice. So if I now inspect it under the microscope, you can see see on this side. Okay, not the best thing I've seen actually. Oh, if I can tilt down the camera. Let's see. So for the old bouncing here. There you go. Yeah. It's a bit, the picture is a bit overexposed, but if I get in close, maybe I can see it. I must say some of the pins are a bit dry. So it was not enough solder on, but this side had a lot of solder. So you can see it better there. The picture is a bit overexposed because of the black solder mask. I can do this manually in the camera, but I don't want to fiddle with settings right now. So let's go over to this guy here. See how you perform. I don't think there's enough solder on both sides now, but okay. Let's see. This guy. It's flowing, but it's not really enough solder. So flowing. Oh, there you go. Wow. Centered itself. And then, now that it has reflowed, we can go away. And it should cool down. There you go. It's soldered. Let's try the big one. The big guy. Okay, here's the board in focus. You can see it's the good job, I think. This one is a bit misaligned. The other guy over here, looks rather nice. We have some glare in this shot. I'm happy with this. Of course it's not perfect because I don't have the perfect amount on solder on all pins, but with a solder mask this would have been really great. So you can see here where I got the amount of solder very evenly. You get a good even solder. So what you're looking for, maybe it's not so easy to see here. Let me bring in the micro bit of flux. I'm going to use the Amtech flux. Actually not really great for this project. Because it doesn't flow very well, I think, with the wick. Maybe it's the wick actually. So let's see. This one. And then let's try and get some. There you go. Actually, it's working perfectly. Yeah. I know it's not the way to do this, but it works great. So, yeah. Get some Q-tips in. Oxidize this. Nobody says oxidize this anymore. There. Now I think I have it. I'm going to ventilate this room because it's really fumigated. Should have thought about that before. Actually.
Yes. So that was wanted to show, so I will stop the video now.